Today, we're going to see how to install Android Studio on Windows. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, whether you're using a PC, laptop, or desktop. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First of all, we need to download the Android Studio setup file. To do that, open your favorite web browser and search for Android Studio. You'll see a lot of websites in the search results, but make sure you open the official website that says Download Android Studio and App Tools. So, this is the official website of Android Studio. You will see a button says Download Android Studio Quail 3, which is latest version for now. Simply click on any one that is available. After that, Terms and Agreements page will open. Scroll down, read them if you want, then click on the download button again. And the setup file will start downloading. The file is quite large, around 1.4 gigabytes, so depending on your internet connection, it may take some time. Just wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, right-click on the setup file and select Open or simply double-click it. The Android Studio Setup Wizard will now start. When you see the welcome screen, click Next. Here, make sure that Android Virtual Device is selected. Once it's checked, click Next again. Now you'll see the installation location. You can change it if you want, but I recommend leaving it as the default location. Click Next. Next, you'll be asked to choose a Start menu folder. You can leave everything as it is and click Install. Android Studio will now begin installing. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Next. Make sure the option to start Android Studio is checked, and then click Finish. If Android Studio doesn't open automatically, simply search for Android Studio in the Start menu and open it from there. The first time you launch Android Studio, you may see a message asking whether you want to share usage data to help improve Android Studio. You can choose Don't Send if you don't want to share this data. Now, the Android Studio Setup Wizard will open. Click Next, and then choose the standard installation type. Click Next again. You'll now see the components that Android Studio needs to download and install. Click Next, review and accept the license agreements, and then continue. Android Studio will now download and install all the required components, including the Android SDK and other necessary tools. This may take some time, so just let it finish. Once everything is downloaded and installed, click Finish, and there you go. You have successfully installed Android Studio on your Windows. You can now start creating Android projects, developing apps, and even use the Android Virtual Device to test your apps. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.